Hello and welcome everybody. BBIG stock is now on 30 November. So let's start with easy steps here. If you are new to this video, don't forget to watch this video until the end and subscribe for more price predictions that we want to explain here. So I think the part that is especially was coming for BBIG. If we went for one day, it seems that it still has a wave that is collapsing each other, and that is focusing for us about this part. So this part has a good relation to the previous wave and to the producing wave, and the producing wave would be slightly depending on this part, which is going to making a separation to the previous one, and this will result for us to make this wave increase. So if we went for 1 or 3 days 3 hours update, it will give us the same thing here, and is that what I can mention on the news today.